Hello, class. Today, we're going to learn 20 amazing words that will make your English more advanced and interesting. These words are not very common, but they are super useful in daily conversations. For each word, I'll explain the meaning, give you an example, and show you how to use it in a sentence. Ready? Let's begin. Word 1. Serendipity. Meaning, a happy or lucky discovery by chance. Example sentence. Finding this cute calf was pure serendipity. Use. You can use this when talking about happy accidents or surprises. Word 2. Quirk. Meaning, a strange or unusual habit or characteristic. Example sentence. Her quirk is that she always wears mismatched socks. Use. Use this to describe someone's unique habits. Word 3. Flustered. Meaning, feeling confused, nervous, or overwhelmed. Example sentence. I always get flustered before giving a big presentation. Use. This is great to express nervousness or when you feel rushed. Word 4. Aloof. Meaning, not friendly or emotionally distant. Example sentence. He seemed aloof at the party, sitting alone in the corner. Use. Use it to describe someone who appears detached or reserved. Word 5. Scramble. Meaning, to move quickly or climb using your hands, to struggle to do something quickly. Example sentence. I had to scramble to finish the assignment before the deadline. Use. Perfect for talking about doing things in a hurry. Word 6. Hunch. Meaning, a feeling or guess based on intuition. Example sentence. I had a hunch that the movie would be great, and I was right. Use. Use it when describing a strong intuitive feeling. Word 7. Cringe. Meaning, to feel embarrassed or awkward. Example sentence. I cringe every time I hear my voice in a recording. Use. Use this for moments that make you feel secondhand embarrassment. Word 8. Nudge. Meaning, to gently push or encourage someone to do something. Example sentence. She nudged me to apply for the scholarship, and I'm glad I did. Use. Use it to describe subtle encouragement or physical prodding. Word 9. Bogus. Meaning, fake or not real. Example sentence. He gave me a bogus excuse for being late. Use. Use it to call out something that is not genuine. Word 10. Glitch. Meaning, a small problem or error, especially in technology. Example sentence. There's a glitch in the app, so it keeps freezing. Use. Use it when describing technical problems. Word 11. Trivial. Meaning, unimportant or insignificant. Example sentence. Don't worry about those trivial mistakes. Focus on the big picture. Use. Use it to describe things that don't matter much. Word 12. Posh. Meaning, stylish, elegant, or luxurious. Example sentence. They stayed at a posh hotel during their vacation. Use. Use it when describing something fancy. Word 13. Blunder. Meaning, a stupid or careless mistake. Example sentence. Forgetting the meeting was a huge blunder on my part. Use. Use it when talking about mistakes. Word 14. Clumsy. Meaning, not graceful, awkward in movement or action. Example sentence. I'm so clumsy, I always drop things. Use. Use it to describe someone prone to accidents. Word 15. Vent. Meaning, to express strong emotions or feelings, often frustration. Example sentence. I just need to vent about how stressful today has been. Use. Use it when you need to let out your feelings. Word 16. Quip. Meaning, a witty or clever remark. Example sentence. She made a funny quip about the weather. Use. Use it to describe a short, humorous comment. Word 17. Ogle. Meaning, to stare at someone or something in a way that shows strong interest, often inappropriate. Example sentence. He couldn't stop ogling the sports car in the showroom. Use. Use it when describing intense or exaggerated staring. Word 18. Dabble. Meaning, to try something casually without being deeply involved. Example sentence. I like to dabble in painting on the weekends. Use it to talk about hobbies or casual activities. Word 19. Witty. Meaning, showing quick and clever humor. Example sentence. Her witty comments always make the class laugh. Use it to describe someone with sharp, humorous replies. Word 20. Eerie. Meaning, strange or spooky in a way that makes you uncomfortable. Example sentence. The old house had an eerie silence at night. Use. Perfect for describing mysterious or creepy things. And there you have it, 20 new, exciting words to boost your daily English vocabulary. Practice using these words in sentences and conversations to sound more natural and confident. Remember, learning vocabulary is all about context and repetition. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next class.